Hi everybody, this is Rosemary from FABEDhacks, and I'm calling all YouTube crafters, all Dollar Tree, Trash to Treasure, Decor DIYs, Holiday Organization, Farmhouse, everyone, to an open invite to host a live streamed crafting session for the YouTube community. During this difficult and trying time, I thought it might be helpful to host daily crafting live streams to offer the community an activity and place to meet up and hang out for an hour or so a day. Better yet, what if everyone took a turn hosting? These sessions can provide a place for the YouTube craft community to gather, share, laugh, spend some time together, get creative, be supportive, and try to get everyone's mind off of the situation at hand, at least for an hour or two a day. You can make something new, or maybe ask subs if there's a favorite craft or technique they would like to see recreated live so that they can ask questions, comments, share their ideas and experiences, etc. It would be great if we can get a full calendar going with each of the crafters taking a day to host. All these sessions will be done on your channel and then uploaded to your channel afterwards. These sessions could be done by yourself, or you can invite a co-host. They could both add content and or just commentary, or maybe just be available to help field questions from the people in the session. And here's the best part. My kids are home from college and they're ready, willing, and able to help. Nicky, for example, can coordinate, maintain, and publish the calendar so that viewers know which channel is hosting on a given day. And then Matthew and Mark can help out with setting up the live streams as well as moderating sessions if needed. And moderating meaning, that the person that kind of stays on and makes sure no one's saying things that are inappropriate or profane or things of that nature. And you might have your own, or you might be in need of someone to do that. And so Matthew and Mark can help out with that. YouTube itself does have some requirements for channels that can live stream. A channel has to have a minimum of 1,000 subs, and they cannot have any strikes for community guidelines, copyrights, and other infringements. There are also some different hardware and software requirements for doing a live stream. And if you're going to just do the regular live stream where it's just a single shot of whatever is in front of your PC or your phone or whatever you're doing the recording on, that just requires your device to have obviously a webcam and a mic to pick up the recording. And again, that would just be for a single shot of whatever is in front of your device. Now, if you wanted to do different angles and have the camera focused in on have a camera focused in on what it is that you're doing close up and that type of thing, you are going to require to have some encoder software in addition to your camera and mic and what have you. And again, that is for if you want something a little bit more advanced and to take it from different angles. If you are interested in participating, please contact Nicky at FABEDhacks@gmail.com. And when you do, please provide your email, phone, and channel info, any day or date preferences that you may have, if you need a moderator, and also if you're doing it solo or if you're going to do it with co-hosts and what their names, channel info, and that type of thing as well would be great. Thanks. And whether or not you have a channel, please comment below and let me know what you think of this idea and any suggestions you might have. I pray that you and all of your family and friends are safe and well, and that you will consider participating in what I hope will be a fun, encouraging, hopeful, and supportive happening. Thanks so much, and hope to hear from you soon.